Further, we are going to make a decoration, the blossom of the flower, to sew the blossom of the flower. The color of your blossom you may choose at your discretion. Pick up the stitch and the pink thread, wrap several times around the needle, wrap around several times this way, and pass it accurately this way. Now we are making the blossom of the flower. Do not tighten very hard. And sew it. Pick up and tighten from the wrong side. Now we are making the petals of the flower, of the blossom. Okay, and repeat the same. Wrap around the needle, wrap the thread around the needle several times. Do not tighten it very hard, and move it, pass it this way. We are making the petals of the blossom. Tighten. This is the next petal, and this way we're making the blossom. Continue the same, making the petals. Now we have 2 petals, and further we are going to continue making the petals, the necessary quantity of petals. We have just finished making the petals, and we have just worked the embroidery in the form of blossom. This is the flower, the blossom of the flower. Now we are going to add green leaves. I took the needle and double thread. I've made double thread, green thread, and let's attach it from the wrong side, then pass it to the right side, okay. Do not tighten till the end, and leave the loops in the form of leaves. Here you can see the loops, 2 loops in the form of leaf. Then make the same here. Okay, make another leaf. Do not tighten to the end, and remain the loops, the shape of leaves. And from this side we have just worked 3 leaves, and now we have such an embroidery. Further, we are going to sew the side seam of our booty. This is the right side. We're going to roll up the upper side this way. We are going to sew the side seams of our slipper. Pick up the stitches from both sides and sew the side seam. Now we are working from the right side of our work, sewing the seam of the upper side in order to make it possible to roll it up. Sew the seam on the level of these holes. Then turn our slippers the wrong side out and continue sewing the side seam in order to make the side seam invisible. Sew the side seam of the side and of the foot of our slipper. Sew the side seam of the foot also. We have just sewn the side seam of our slipper, of our booty. And then let's pass the ribbon or the lace or the cord through the holes. Finally, we have such a slipper, such a baby booty, such a slipper for kids, decorated with blossom. If you like this, click like, visit my channel, subscribe. I wish you all good. Goodbye.